Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book on Grab Philippines. So here, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard. So you just have to sign up or log into your Grab account. So we have here food, car, mart, express, mobile load, pabili gifts, and there are other options as well. So let's just focus on the food on the card option. So when you click on the food option, that's right. Right here, as you can see at the top, you have here your location. So you just have to simply click on it, and then you just have to, type out or search for your location. Then after that, you just have to select these categories. Okay, and then you just have to click on your option. That's right. Okay, and then after that, you just have to choose what food do you want to order. So for example, this one. Just simply click on add this one to your basket and then click on this option at the bottom. All right. And then after that, you have here now your location and then other details for this one. So just have to simply click on the place order option. Okay, and then after that, your food will not be delivered after how many minutes. Okay, so now let's proceed to the car option. Here on the car option, when you click on this one, okay, it will automatically select your current location. So all you have to do here is to select the location where are you heading. All right. So for example, this one, and then you'd be able to see here now your location. So all you have to do is to click on this choose this pickup. So let me just find another location right here. So just simply click on this choose this pickup, and then you'd be able to see here the available cars. So we have here four-seater and five six-seaters. So simply click on this book grab option at the bottom and you'd be able to book here your car. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.